Hello, my dear friends. I am with you with another HTML tutorial. I hope you will be fine and full of energy. I wanna talk about images in HTML. You must have seen on different sites that use images. In this session, we wanna learn to use images on our website. So follow this part with a smile. For displaying picture, we use the image element, which is abbreviated as IMG. IMG is the empty element. That means it doesn't have closing tag. It has an attribute called src, which stands for source. After src, we put an equal sign and write two double quotation, and between them we write our image address. Do you remember? That is the links we had the attribute href, after which we used to put equal and two double quotation marks between which we could write the address of place to link. It's exactly the same here. That is, we have to write the address of the desired image here. The image element has another attribute called alt, which stands for alternate text. What is its use? It's used for search engines and screen readers. What is a screen reader? There are software that read web pages for those people are blind or have difficulty reading. They use these softwares that can read web pages. Alt or alternative text is on the image. If for any reason the image is not loaded on the pages, or the image is lost, or the address is changed on the server, it will be displayed instead of that picture, so that we know what the picture was about. The image element has two other attributes called height and width, which are defined by the width and height of the image. So we have four attributes: src, alt, width, and height. src, where we write the address of the image, and alt, where we write the alternate text related to our image. We put, for example, we put sheep and write the sheep in farm. Specify the width and height of the image with width and height. Let's go to VS Code to practice this topic. Guys, we are in the 10th session and we are creating a folder called 10, in which we have an image folder and test.html file. And inside the image folder is a image. These codes are the main structure of the web page that you have already known: HTML element, head element, meta and title tags, and also body tag. Image tag is an empty element. We write the image tag inside the body element. Image tag is the empty element that doesn't need closing tag. We write src attribute and equal sign and two double quotation marks, and middle of them image address. We go to the folder first. I'll explain the addressing, then we will go back to VS Code. Look, this folder is an example folder where I put the codes of each session. We enter folder 10, which has an image folder and a test.html file inside it. We enter the image folder, and inside there is a picture that we want to use on our web page. We go back to VS Code. Now we are inside the test.html. We want to enter image folder, which this folder and this file are in the same path. So it's enough to write the name of the folder. As soon as we write I, it will suggest the image. Press enter, and it will suggest image file that we choose it. As soon as we write its address, the picture will display on this side. It's too large. If the size of image is large, we will give it a width of, for example, width 200 pixel, and also height 200 pixel. If the picture is large too, I'll give it 100 pixel for width, and for the height also 100 pixel. Now the size is not good. And for the alt attribute, we use the alt attribute. For example, I write picture of computer. What was its usage? As I said before, for any reason our image could not be loaded, the alternative text will be displayed. For example, if we change the address of the photos or change its letter, for example, I change it. This I write 1. Will display the alternative text instead of the picture. Okay guys, in this video you learned how to use images on our website. In the next session, I will continue the topic of images and links together. Have a nice day. Bye bye.